So here's the deal. If you like firecracker games and you like winning, this video is one you want to watch. We had a lot of fun. Hopefully you'll enjoy it just like we did. Guys, so it's me and Michelle, and we're going to play the firecracker game because we just don't play this enough, right? Anyways, you can see $27.41 over here. That's free play and a couple dollars left over from another ticket that we won't talk about. So anyways, we're going to play $1.76 a spin. Does that sound good? $1.76 a spin. See if we can bust all three super fast. Oh, and by the way, just so you see the graphics, one away on the purple, one row away on the red, and one row on the green. So we're hoping to bust it early and often, right? So I'll keep you guys more on the screen, and then if we hit something big, hey, there's a nice line pick. If we hit something big, then we'll move it up. Man, I get so irritated by that lighting up and then on lighting. And I feel like my mom always wants them to all light, but at least if they all light, you feel like you're close. Come on, ultra spins. Now remember, this is free play, so if we could crack this on free play. Hey, oh, mother. Dang it, we got one left. If we can crack this on free play, that'd be excellent, because that's all casino money. And the reality is, to get my free play, I had to give up a glass dish with a plastic lid.
Pie
A pie dish, yeah. That's what that is, right?
Yeah.
Hey, there you go. That's nice. I always feel guilty. Oh, there we go. 960. I always feel guilty though when I take the free play and not the gift. I know you like the gifts.
So you're actually up. You only have 36 left of free
Oh,
play, so you could take your $24.
Oh, is that what you want me to do?
No. Hopefully you'll win more than 24.
Right here. No, that could have been all of them. And of course, you guys know Ultra Spins is our favorite, right? If we had to pick one, Ultra Spins is the one we want. I know a lot of people like the double up. A little harder to film. And honestly, lately, the extra spins has been paying us pretty well. Normally, I always thought of the extra spins as just like, whatever. But it's been doing well lately. Again, to crack this on free play would be fantastic. You're so quiet today, Michelle.
Okay. Only 4 hours of sleep.
Yeah, you got to figure that out. I slept like a baby. All the way across. Come on. Got enough for me to bet one more time. Oh, wouldn't that have been sweet to get that on the last? Okay, so now you got to make some decisions.
You should have taken the $24. So.
No. You're going to win more than that. But you got to pull money out. I know you're frustrated with that part of it. That's the story of the $2.51 ticket that we had. Michelle was playing a different firecracker game and it didn't treat her so well. Oh, you're handing it to me, so it's on me. All right, let me throw $100 in here. All right, and you ready? Always when you throw fresh money in for some reason on this game, it seems to give you like 3 or 4 dead spins in a row. And I don't know why it does that. So I'll ask you if you want to change the bet up at all since we put a fresh 100 in there.
Go to 85.
Okay, gonna go to 85, and if you don't hit by then you're changing it. Well, we keep getting twos. Going 264.
Yeah.
All right, that's on you. It's your spin, so you make that leap. Now lately we've been doing very well on 264. So let's do well again. Hey, there we go. Oh, the $9 would have been a nice start, wouldn't it?
Well, when you say doing well, you mean that we finally hit a bonus.
Well, yeah, but we won money the other day.
We ended up on top after the bonus. Yes, we did.
And again, I know most people out there, 264 doesn't seem like a huge amount of money to bet. But when you go to the casino as often as we do, it adds up. All right, come on now. Oh, there's the light, but don't stay lit. It takes one spin. Hey, there you go, another nice one. 810. You see it, right?
Yeah. It's just a spin, just like all the others.
I know, come on. Need some more of those big, like $10, $12 wins. That's the one thing I do hate about this game is it has no problem with draining you down. All right, come on now. All right, that's not too bad. It's like a couple extra spins. Ooh, come on, do it. Ah, $90. Holy crap.
Whenever you see a big coin or rocket like that, you can almost bet.
But
it's not
again, you know that's not true. We got 40 the other day.
we didn't hit on it.
We did. We got 40 in the bonus.
Oh, in the bonus,
Right.
but not in the regular spins.
Oh, okay. I guess.
That 40 was okay, we're ending your bonus now. Let me give you something.
I will say I do see our money going down here. We need to hit something. Hey, and we got it. There we go. We get the ultra spins and the extra spins.
Where did it go?
They're all lit.
All right, now there.
There you go.
Ultra with extra spins.
So the good news is I don't have to keep it back like this because you're going to go in and play just a single line. So now we just want lots of birds to fill this baby up. So we were in this for 100 plus some free play. But we have ground to make up. And I don't know if you guys can hear that volume, but it's nice and loud. There we go, there's a $9. And a $6 plus, that was good. It's like landing a $15 stop sign.
I see him hit more than one though when he comes by.
I am seeing that mini going by a lot. Mini is $30 on our bet. All right, he's trying. That's a $26, $27.50. $27.50. Yeah.
2 or 3, 7 of them.
Yeah, $27.50 on that. Nice. That makes me happy. Six. Nice, got 6 more on that.
Twice in a row. Seriously, that is unusual.
Yeah, keep the bird coming. Don't stop the bird. All right, we need one here. Let's go. Hey, keeping us alive. All right, we got a couple more here. Hey, keep it going.
There's some big coins sitting too.
Yeah, keep it coming though. It's like you don't want him for 3 spins and then you want him. I mean, we have some ground to make up. All right, we need one now. All right, what do we got? Come on, bird. $45. Nice. All right, that's gonna be a little win.
Definitely one of the better bonuses I've seen in a while.
Yeah. Hey. So we're gonna profit about $100 on this game. Maybe just a hair over.
Makes up for what I lost on the last one.
I thought we weren't talking about that.
Well,
All right, so now 189. Now I know everybody would say, look at the red, but I am gonna take our 207.70. I know Michelle's gonna do 2 backup spins. No? Wow. So we're gonna take that $100 profit on that game.
if the red was down, I would do that.
You mean if the green?
If there was nothing at the red.
Okay, because you think that one always goes.
Yeah.
All right, well, there you go, guys. There was a quick little game for us. If you like the videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Makes a big difference. I think we're going to go play another Firecracker game. We'll find out in just a minute. Guys, we're going to jump on this game right here. What is this called, Shell? Right?
Rocket? I don't know. I call it another rocket game.
Yeah, it
Does
does.
it really show it?
Oh, Rising Rockets. It's down here. Rising Rockets. So there you go. I didn't even see that. Right, me
Now
neither.
that's Rising Rocket. What's the word underneath?
Impress.
This is Rising Rocket Emperor.
All right, well, let's impress and then
They
improve.
look exactly like
So, we did look at the graphics, guys. So even though I tell you, don't look at the graphics, we look at the graphics. Michelle's already done.
Did you see it?
I saw. It says it. So
I
Michelle,
put 120.
yeah, Michelle's already put 120 in. So we're gonna,
Someone else came
and they put some money in, yeah.
and Wayne got more money and put that money in.
So we're gonna play $1.76 right now. 1 pennies. We're gonna start there. I was gonna do 2, but I said we'll do this for a few. So you put $100 in here, or you put the ticket for 207 in. Okay, so we'll start with the ticket for 207. Right? You just want it to happen right away, like pop it.
Like instant gratification.
All right, let's see what happens here. Well, if we pop it, guys, I'll pull you back and you can see that. So now that funky looking dragon guy, he's wild, I believe. Oh, this game's different than the one we played before. They turn into coins.
It's just the visual.
But I mean, they're not wild. So you get what I'm saying? On the other one we played, the guy's wild. Yeah, 100%. So you might not be able to get the line hits on this because you don't have the wild. Oh, he's there. He's over there to the right.
He's always wild.
Right, but the coins look like him.
No, I think you're just mistaken.
Well, we'll find out, won't we? So we did throw a ticket for 217 in.
0777.
207.77. I'm sorry. Michelle's in a corrective mood today. So far, I'm not impressed with the line hits, though. We need some line hits. You either? Well, when it goes into the bonus, it's a fun game. So
Always.
so it's just about playing for the bonus here.
Go here. That's always.
We can go to my 2 cents if you want. Is that close enough or one more spin? We're gonna go to 2 cents, guys. I came over and I was feeling 2 cent 88, which is still the same $1.78. But that's what I was feeling. So we're gonna try it. And if that went off right away, Michelle would have just fallen over. Oh, put her to the left, will you?
She's not wild.
No, but give me a whole bunch of her, like a screen full of her. So, and I don't know if there's something if you get 6 coins.
Never seen that many dragons.
Well, it's just crazy. Why does it turn into a dollar amount? Oh, that hurts. Michelle's reading the directions on the other machine. Because I'm thinking that there's got to be a reason those turn into coins. So far, there doesn't seem to be a reason for anything. All 3, come on. Michelle said the directions are too confusing.
I don't want to read.
Oh, that started with the girl at the front there. And again, we popped all 3, guys. That's when it's fun. Is when you get all 3. So far, it's in collection mode. Oh, see? Like that. Connector. Let's get some line hits here. So right now, the biggest problem that I'm having is that we're not getting any line hits, so we're not putting any money back in our pocket. We're just dropping $2 a turn here. Ah. Oh, 3 of them. Hey, we got one. So I think this is just a single screen. Oh, this is the one with the treasure chest. So you want the treasure chest. So we're like $80 in. Oh, lots of words going by. So that mini is 20, the minor is 50.
Small screen.
Yeah, small screen. All right, come on, one more, keep us alive here. Oh, yeah, that was a very small bonus game. Yeah, that's right, I forgot. So all those are double.
Still small.
It's still small. We're gonna keep playing though, right? All right, so on that we won 35-20. We're gonna keep going, right? Like put that there and give me like 3 of her in a row. Ah, it did put it there, but it didn't translate. So we want all 3. That, like I said, that's when it's fun. Now, prize boost is my favorite. Do you like one of them more than another?
Just don't get them together.
I just think that prize boost where it does the rocket and then it multiplies or adds to them. I think that's fun. Oh, and I thought we were getting the prize boost. Like I said, the lack of line hits is what's killing me here. Come on, Big Bang. Hey, we got it. Yeah. Oh, you're going to get one. I can feel it. You deserve one. All right, so this is the one I do like. So, and we're $60 in. And remember, we're on 2-cent denoms, so everything's times. So there you go. You got it. Hey, you got 2. Nice. Nice. Well, that's how it always works.
Where's the boost?
Right now. Boom. You got to ask for it. We want that $4 one to boost. Again, the mini's 20, the minor is 50. Yeah, the prize boost is fun. Staying alive, Zhao.
Prize boost all this time. Where is it? Come on.
Hey, you got a $5. Well, that's $10. You're staying alive. You're fine.
No prize boost. What's the point of the bonus?
Maybe you're going to get a big one at the end. Here it comes. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, one more. All right, we got still one more spin. Remember, we're on 2-cent denom. Ah, that would have been huge. Oh, that was a baby finish. So we're in this for $70. And we're gonna get $68.60 back. So we're like right on the edge of our money.
Give me a 207.
Yeah, 207 or a 213. All right, we're gonna just take that and we're gonna run. Guys, gonna play some Zahufu. Oh, I don't even know how you pronounce that. We'll just say the Firecracker game. So we're gonna jump in here. It's Michelle and I playing real quick. We're gonna play $1.76 a spin. We got a ticket for $2.13, and we're ready. Here we go. Boom, boom. Be a great start. Oh, that would have been a fantastic way to go. So we are on 1 cent denom. So what you see is what we get. Haven't played this in a while with the red background.
I don't notice that little stuff like we do.
Yeah, so there you go. So, little line hit, 60 cents. Oh,
Looked better than that.
it did. I thought all that pink. So of course, you guys know how this works, right? We finish off a row of firecrackers, we get into a bonus. And the ultra spins is the lowest one. That could go off at any time. If we get one to go off, I'll point you up real quick. Make sure you guys can see the screen. I shouldn't say if, I should say when we blow one up. We've played a few firecracker games today already. We need a full screen of Fu Manchu at the bottom for one of those big line hits. So the big thing about this game, it never seems to hit right away. There we go, all three. Ah, that could have been good. Oh, there you go. That's a better one. It never seems to hit right away. It seems to make you earn it. And I'm of belief, as long as we get back more than we bet, I'm happy with the spin.
This might take a while.
Nah, we're gonna get this right away. Come on. Come on, Fu Manchu. It's you. Uh-oh, you're in a funk, aren't you? We're in trouble. We're in trouble now. So we're one away on the purple. There we go. That's what I was asking for. $23.90. You put one more over here and that's a $50 win. So there we go. We're one away on the purple, one away on the red, and we're 3 rows away on the green.
That's a little more money to play with.
Yeah, I like it. Oh. Take away that rocket and put one there, and that's a big line hit. It's a fine line. You need the rockets, but you need the line hits. There we go. Yeah, that's crazy. $1.50, like
Yeah,
5
not
of
much, huh?
Right, 5 across. That's hard to do. Oh, and I was holding my breath. We are due for a triple popper.
Let's try it.
No. Our neighbor got it. Nice. I guess it wouldn't make a video if we got it on the first spin, would it? Although it'd be a little more exciting for us. All right.
Especially as it gets close to dinner time.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry. You're hungry? Oh. So again, our favorite is definitely the ultra spins. But we'll take the extra spins. That's what we got to do.
Extra spins.
All right, so I can keep that close. Yeah, why doesn't it say that, right? See how it's different on different games? Normally he says 40%. You're right. All right, well, get them. Now again, we're on 1 cent, so what you see is what we get.
A lot of dollars.
Yeah, a lot of dollars. But a mini or a minor would just make that a little better. Mini is 20 bucks, minor is 40. I keep wanting the bird to swoop by.
It ain't happening.
No matter
Bonus.
no matter how much I want it, huh? So yeah, this bonus here is all about getting the mini or the minor. I don't even know what the biggest coin we've ever dropped is in this.
This one.
Yeah, 40?
You got a big one.
Once we got 100, but we were betting 440 a spin. My mom gets all frustrated when we play this because, you know, when it doesn't drop one every turn. It's like, well, that's why they give you 4 spins. Okay, now you get me frustrated, though. That's a bait. Whoa, you're kicking the machine here, honey. Michelle's kicking things. I know it was bad, but it wasn't that bad. Well, 13 bucks, it was that bad. We had line hits bigger than that. All right, well, we're still rolling, right? All right, here we go. And we've had the green like climb all the way up before. So it's possible to still get all 3. Like, don't rule it out yet. Oh, come on. Oh, am I not playing now? If it would have hit, I would have been like, oh, I get it, you're feeling it, but
It's trigger happy.
you wanted to change the rhythm up.
Yes, that's it.
Oh, I hate dead spins. What the hell? At least when you get a firecracker on a dead spin, you think something's going to happen. Oh, there you go. $1.90.
In your bed.
Yeah, I know, but that looked like that was something. All right, are we taking this to 264? Yeah, that's what I thought. So 264 now. We're about $60 in. And we're looking for a win. Come on, game. Even that would be 15 bucks. That would be a great start. Hey, we got it. And we're climbing the pole. Nice. So we got the ultra spins and the extra spins. Now will he say I present?
Welcome to Ultra. with
Oh,
extra
nice.
spins.
Our neighbor got it too. Same bet too. Let's see who does better here. All right, Shell, it's on you. So we did just do very well on this game, so hopefully we're gonna do very well again. Lots of birds. And nothing says they can't drop a word here. We always appreciate that too. Last game we were playing, they were dropping on 6, 7 times with the bird. This one seems to be a little more conservative. Uh-oh. Land one here, Shell. Woo! That was right. Last space. Holy cow. Toying with us here. All right, now I'm seeing the mini fly by. We need lots of birds because it's dropping little numbers. That's a little better, 850. All right, better numbers. We're looking for the bird to give us one of those big, like, $40. 15, that's pretty good. Oh, you're gonna make us sweat it out, ain't he? Oh, there we go. Mine are 60 bucks. That works. I hope you get one too, man. So now we know we're in Profitville at least.
Filling them in.
Yeah. Our neighbor's down to 2, we're down to 2. Let's go.
No, because we got one. It went back to 4.
Oh, no, I meant 2 spaces.
Oh, 2 spaces.
Yeah, he's down to 1. Come on.
That'd be awesome.
It would be unbelievably great. That was a good one. Come on, pop one in there. All right, come on, bird, big one. Oh, 450. That's all right. This one turned out pretty good. Come on, hit it. That's always the bummer, right? You're like, one more, just one more bird. All right, that worked out pretty good. Yeah, hell yeah. So 204, we came in at, we were at 207. So let's see what the new number is here. So we are gonna get up at 337, so 120 bucks, not bad.
130.
Oh, $130. Yes.
You're mad today.
My casino math has been off today. But anyway, so yeah, sweet. We'll take that. Time to go. So we played those back to back to back, and it sure did take a little coercing to get it to give us the money that we were looking for, but we did win in the end, and we had a little bit of fun. Spent about an hour in the casino, not too bad. Got in, got out, got our free gift for the day, so kind of worked out all the way around. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do. Makes a big difference in the YouTube algorithm and in our world, of course. So appreciate you watching. Hopefully we got a couple more great videos for you to tag into and watch. And have a great night.